Flying my drone near Rochester Castle a year ago was an unforgettable experience. Just 48 kilometers, 30 miles southeast of London, Rochester is where history comes to life. The mighty Rochester Castle, built in the 12th century by Bishop Gundulf, has stood the test of time. It played a crucial role in medieval England, enduring the famous siege of 1215 during King John's rebellion. The castle's towering keep, with its weathered stone walls, offers a glimpse into a past marked by battles and survival. From the top, you can see the River Medway winding through the landscape, emphasizing the castle's strategic position in defending the region. Nearby, the Rochester Cathedral, founded in 604 AD, provides a peaceful, yet equally impressive contrast. As the second oldest cathedral in England, it has seen over a millennium of history. Notably, it was a site for Henry II's pilgrimage in 1174, after the murder of Thomas Becket. The cathedral's architecture, from its Romanesque nave to the later Gothic additions, stands as a testament to centuries of faith, art, and resilience. Flying my drone over these two historic landmarks was a thrilling experience. It was one of my first flights, and seeing both the castle and the cathedral from above gave me a fresh perspective. The contrast between the castle's rugged strength and the cathedral's peaceful beauty captured the essence of Rochester, a city shaped by both defense and devotion. In 2025, Rochester Cathedral offers free entry, though donations are encouraged to help with its upkeep. The cost of entry to Rochester Castle is £8.50 for adults and £4 for children. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.